when you kiss me, fever when I hold me tight, fever in the morning, fever all through the night.
For this project I'm using about 150 grams of this worsted weight yarn to be worked with a 6mm crochet hook. We have to crochet a rectangle like that with these measures. Okay, slip knot to start, and with 6mm crochet hook do a foundation chain of 18, 1 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. Okay, now we have to close it into a circle, slip stitching into the first chain. Okay, now slip stitch into the first chain of this foundation like that, and now chain 1 and into the first chain do a single crochet 1, into the next chain another single crochet 1, into the next one single crochet 2, 1 and 2, and now go ahead all the way around doing single crochet 1, 1 and 2, 1, 1 and 2. You have to increase after each 2 single crochet, so just 1, 1, into the next one 2, 1 and 2, like that. Go ahead like that all the way around. At the end of this round, slip stitch into the first single crochet of this round. Okay, like ready for the second round. Now chain 1 into the same very first stitch, this one, do a single crochet, and now do another single crochet in the following 16 stitches, totally 17 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay? Okay, these 17 single crochet are the base for my scarf. Okay? So this is single crochet number 17. Now into the following stitch I'm slip stitching like that, then chain 1, turn your work, skip the first slip stitching, go into the next stitch, which is the first single crochet, and do single crochet 1 in each stitch across the row, totally 17 single crochet, and this is the second row of our scarf. Okay, like that, because you can do a short scarf like a neck warmer, sorry for my pronunciation, Italian pronunciation, or you can do also a longer scarf. It depends on you what you prefer. So this is the 17th single crochet and my second row is completing. Chain 2 and turn. And now we start our stitch pattern which develops into 2 rows, 1 and 2, and we will repeat 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 till we reach, of course, the length we need and we desire for our scarf, okay? So the first 2 chains take the place of the first double crochet. Into the next stitch, inserting my hook into the back loop only, I'm gonna do double crochet 1 and the same for each next stitch. So double crochet 1 in each stitch across the row, inserting your hook into the back loop of each stitch only, okay? Like that. Till the end of this row. This is the end of this row with double crochet into the back loop. Now I'm ready for the following row. Chain 1 and turn. Into this very first stitch where I did my chain, single crochet 1. In yarn over, into the same stitch and halfway double crochet, like that. Yarn over and again into the same stitch another halfway double crochet. 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, finish together the 2 halfway double crochet. Now skip the next stitch into the next one, single crochet 1 and repeat. Yarn over, halfway double crochet, second halfway double crochet, yarn over, finish together like that. Skip the next stitch into the next one, single crochet and repeat, always the same. 1 halfway double crochet, second halfway double crochet, finished together. Skip 1 stitch into the next one, single crochet 1 and repeat. Go ahead like that till the end of this row. Ready for the second row. At the end of this row, skip the next stitch and do single crochet 1 into the last double crochet of this row. You are ready for the next row, which will be the repetition of this row of double crochet into the back loop. So chain 2, turn your work and into the next stitch double crochet 1 into the back loop, double crochet 1 into the back loop, and so on. At the next row, you will repeat the double suzette stitch like I show you the previous row. Okay, when you have the length that you like for your scarf or for your neck warmer, now for example I'm doing a neck warmer, so it's not so long, we can do several kind of refining for the last row of this project. For example, we can do just a row of single crochet like that, of course all the way around, starting from here, then across the long edge of the scarf, all the way around, here around, and coming back to the starting point. Now I need to do the final fringe, And I'm changing my crochet hook from 6.5 to 5 millimeters, and from here, from the corner, I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 single crochet, and into the next stitch single crochet 1. Again 8 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, into the next stitch single crochet. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, single crochet into the next single crochet. Sorry, I was out of the camera. I will show you again. Sorry, really, I apologize. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chains. Go into the next stitch and do single crochet 1. Now from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, into the next stitch single crochet 1. Do that till the end of this row.
Cheating, my baby. Oh yeah, she don't stand on cheating, my baby. Oh yeah, she don't stand on cheating. She don't stand up on me, I'm creeping, my baby. Through little baby.